Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today to share a little project me and my daughter did this evening, and it is with acrylic paints, and we did some paint pouring, which if you've never done it before, very satisfying to watch the paint just move over the canvas. And so this is the first one, I think. This is the second one actually that we did. I do show you the first one. But basically actually all of the stuff we got from the Dollar Tree except the Floetrol, which is something we got from Home Depot. And we just run the lighter across the canvas to pop the air bubbles, which create those, what they call cells, which are pretty cool. And this is actually the first one that we poured. But yeah, so the Floetrol we got from Home Depot, but the canvas we got from the Dollar Tree. Both the frame canvas and then the flat canvas. The paint we got from the Dollar Tree. It was the acrylic paint in the tubes. And then I had other acrylic paint just here around the house. We also got the plastic cups from the Dollar Tree, as well as the big craft sticks, like popsicle sticks. What else? We had the mason jars. That's what we used to prop them up. I should have got gesso. I thought I had gesso here in the house, but I did not. The gesso will just help the canvas from not warping. And if you, well, you can't probably tell in the pictures, but the flat canvas, not the framed one, is warping a little as it dries. But yeah, so these are how our pours came out. I think we did 8 altogether. And so we're gonna get some more paint and some more Floetrol and get some more canvas and, you know, do some more pouring. So yeah, let me know how you guys like this little share. And if you guys want more details or tutorial, I'd love to show it to you. Hope you guys are having a great day, and shakas till the next video.